So here we have just a beautiful, ideal day in Northeast Ohio for doing some car stuff. Not really.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
But what we should do and what we need to do is we need to fire everything up, charge these batteries, because the next 2 or 3 days is gonna be 6 degrees, minus 15, minus 20 with a wind chill. Let's go ahead and open up the garage. Truck's outside, we got these two here. That's what we call. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Fresh footprints. It's a light dusting. I've done this driveway 6 times in the past 10 days. We had 8 inches, 10 inches. I mean, there was snow everywhere. It's melted and compressed, but there was a lot of snow out here. We're gonna start the truck up. We've got the auto start. Haven't been able to do much on this thing lately. That vinyl wrap, which was covered in snow and ice. I did do some vinyl wrap on the tailgate. And since it's been sold cold, we got some bubbles, but I really can't heat it up and press it down. So for now, start it, warm it up, get some of the snow and ice off it. Guess we can kind of look at the tailgate quickly. I did do a brushed aluminum wrap on the back like I did on that front hood scoop, which was in the last video. And this sat perfect and nice for a while. And as soon as these temperatures dipped, I've got bubbles. And if I try to push this, it's just gonna crack. So we need to wait for a warmer day, get inside with a heat gun, get this glue, heat it up, push back in. It looks pretty good when it's cleaned up and nice, and you can see the, you can see the little brushed aluminum look in there. But for now, we just need to get some things warmed up here. So I gotta say thanks to everyone who subscribed. My first 2 or 3 subscribers, I know who they are. They're probably watching, friends and family. But I think I got legitimately maybe 15 subscribers the past month or so. I did get a couple people actually send me a message about these other cars that were in the background of the videos. Yeah, I'm gonna do videos on these as we approach spring. This car I do track days with, I do some high performance driving. I've done a BMW performance driving school, but I'm gonna kind of step it up this year. I've already done some mods to this car, which I'll go over in another video, but for today I'm just gonna fire it up, pull it out, let this battery charge. It's a lithium battery, and they're 2,200 bucks. So once they go and get down, they're hard to charge, they're hard to maintain. So far this one's been fine, but with these temperatures coming up, I don't wanna leave anything to chance. So let's hear it. You know, I gotta say, I never get bored of looking at this thing. I think it's gorgeous. This is my second, I guess, I don't know, quote unquote supercar. Some would debate that, but I had an Audi R8 V10 before. So let's hop in this for a minute and chat and show you the interior. You know, a lot of people have asked me at car shows and things like this, you know, what I do for a living, or if I was born with money or have money. And, you know, I've worked for everything I have. I barely graduated high school, though. I was a little bit of a lone wolf hellraiser. And it wasn't until my 20s I kind of got the entrepreneurial bug. Had bunches of businesses that failed. It took me decades to figure it out. And yeah, the past 5-6 years, I figured it out. Again, I still have more to do, but I've been grateful for what I have, but worked my ass off too, made a lot of mistakes, lost money. So anyway, long story short, I love this car. So this is a V8 twin turbo Mercedes AMG GTC. Stock, it's 550 horsepower. I've got downpipes on this, catless downpipes in a stage 2 tune. We're running probably about 705 horsepower. We've got some carbon inlays in here. You've got all kinds of settings, race, sport, sport plus. You can individually set your steering, your transmission, your engine. This is an older wheel. I don't know why Mercedes did this on this car. Everything else is upgraded and special, so we're probably gonna get a new wheel. I just feel like a fighter pilot in here. It's got this, you know, nod to the V8 engine when you got 4 dials on each side. You got this cockpit kind of layout with your some controls here. Glass roof. That's not a sunroof, it's a glass roof. And you're really sitting low in this car. These seats have very nice bolstering, stiff, but they hold you and comfortable. And it's a Mercedes, so the ride is nice. But this car is purely amazing. I can't wait to do some more videos, but back to the weather. Here's our next candidate, the BMW Z4. Let's get her out. Here's a 2009 BMW Z4. It's the 30i, so it's a 6-cylinder. And this is naturally aspirated, nothing going on here, turbo, supercharger. Ferretta wheels on it, and I haven't done much to this car. I got it in Indiana. They didn't know it was a manual. It's a 6-speed manual. Red interiors, convertible hardtop. This thing was going to be a track day car, but I think I might just autocross this and have fun. I think I might use the Mercedes for that, but let's look at the interior here. I put these seat covers in. They got a little bit of stitching, but they match the original fairly well. Super nice interior for a 2009. I was really surprised that, you know, the modern conveniences in here. And this thing's just a go-kart, man. It is super fun to drive. I can whip this thing around and it just feels so small and nimble, and I love this car. It's so much fun. I put maybe 2,000 miles on it since I had it. I don't know if I mentioned this, the BMW is straight pipe. So there it is. I just wanted to kind of go through the vehicles. A couple people have, you know, messaged me asking about that. I don't know how this is going to work. My channel has been originally about the truck, and I'm still going to do plenty more mods of this truck, but I can't really do stuff in, you know, single-digit weather. I don't have a heated garage. I've got plans for it. But also, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff this spring and summer with these two vehicles, and I'm going to do that on this channel. So hopefully I'll still, you know, get subscribers like I have been. And I don't know. I'm a car guy, right? We can all appreciate different things. So hopefully that's the case. Boy, this weather. I'll tell you what, man.